Oh hey, it's me again, Killer Salon, with the second video. I want to show you something. I have something new that I've been waiting on for a long time. So let's get to it. So I got this pocket knife I've been waiting on for a long time. What's really special about it, look. I can keep it too. It really has the cool designs that I wanted. See, you can see it has like all different types of designs and stuff. And it has that B on it. Yes, and I've been waiting a long time on this. So, if you want one, just follow me. My Instagram, cool Jason, like all my pictures. And then follow me and then get everybody else to follow, okay? I will follow y'all back. I'm pretty sure I will. So my life is like really great. It's been moving on fast too. Just like been going by fast, but it's good. I've been waiting on this for them to make it homemade. My grandma, homemade. They went actually I got it from a company. Been waiting for a year and a half. So yes, I'm really excited about this. But I also got those, which I wanted. So, but I'm more excited about this. So yes, this time I do not want to sing my song because you can hear my voice right now. So I think it's gonna be next time. So okay, like I don't really know about. Like I have my schedule too booked. Okay, my brother walked in, so yeah, we have to pick some Kool-Aid that we haven't had. Like my mom is the best cook ever, but I have been waiting on this for like a very long time, and I didn't sing because you can hear my voice. I'm not very good, but I love y'all so much. I can do a video. You can see, as you can see, I got it my AC on with all my covers. Watching that, like I always watch when I'm sick. So yeah, I see that. See all them trophies. That's what I was getting about that song. All of them. Yeah. Tomorrow, I think, well, in like a few minutes, I will do another video or tomorrow. Or about an hour or something, because I'm staying up all night tonight anyways. So, like, yeah. I see y'all. I love this nice knife. It's like the best thing. I wanted this for a very long time. Very long. And then it's like creative. So see y'all next time. Hope y'all have a great time. Comment down below for me. Not doing so well with my asthma. So yeah. Bye.